Phineas. Hi, honey. Phineas said, I don't want to come in there.
Hey there. Phineas.
Come here, Phineas.
Come on, Pumpkin. Yoo. Hi.
Hi, Phineas.
Hello there, handsome.
Hi, Phineas.
Oh,
What, we got dogs who are afraid of cats today? What is it?
Hey.
Hi,
Phineas.
boy. Hi, boy. He says, I don't want any part of this.
Hey.
Please don't make me see a cat. Good boy. Good boy.